On the board we have quadratic equation which we're supposed to solve by the method of factoring. So what we're supposed to do? We're supposed to perform the factorization. Okay, so I have parentheses and I have x. Now remember that the product of these two terms is supposed to give me the very first term of my quadratic equation. Now these two numbers multiplied by each other supposed to give me constant, and these two numbers added to each other supposed to give me the coefficient of x. These two numbers are -3 and +5. Everything of course is equal 0. -3 times +5 is equal -15. -3 plus 5 is equal +2. As you can see, before you are going to try solve quadratic equations by the method of factoring, you're supposed to review factoring of polynomials, okay? So just be aware of that. Next, please notice that on the left side of the equation we have product of two factors which must be equal 0. In order to make the left side equal 0, one of them or both of them supposed to be equal 0. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to simply write that x minus 3 is equal 0, or x plus 5 is equal 0. Because if this factor is equal 0, 0 times anything gives me 0, or let's say if this one is equal 0, multiplied by anything will give me 0, or 0 times 0 gives me 0. Next, you're supposed to find x, okay, from this equation. So in order to find x, you have to move -3 to the right side, and I'm going to have x equals 3. This is my one answer. Or if I'm going to move 5 to the right side, I'm going to have x equals -5. So I get two answers. Quadratic equation is going to have maximum two answers. Can have no answer, one answer, or two answers. So we have at this moment two answers. X equals 3 or x equals -5. If you want to verify that our answers are correct, you're supposed to simply replace every single x in the original equation by, let's say, 3. So we have x squared plus 2x minus 15 is equal 0, and we replace x by 3, so I have 3 to the second power plus 2 times x, and we said x is equal 3, minus 15 is equal 0. So I have 9 plus 6 minus 15 is equal 0. 9 plus 6 is equal 15, 15 minus 15 is equal 0, 0 is equal 0. So this is correct answer. Let's check the second one. We have again original equation, x squared plus 2x minus 15 is equal 0. This time we are going to substitute every x by -5. So I have -5 to the second power plus 2 times -5 minus 15 is equal 0. -5 to the second power is equal 25, and I have +2 times -5 is -10 minus 15 is equal 0. 25 minus 10 is equal 15. 15 minus 15 gives me 0. 0 is equal 0. As you can see, the left side of my equation is equal to the right side. So I can say that x equal 3 and x equal -5 are the solutions to my problem.